Good evening, ladies and gents. Back with another AI video, and this time we're going to be exploring Deforum. Now, I was very kindly given top-up credits for this from a guy on Discord, so thank you very much to him for allowing me to explore this. I've actually used this as well already in a previous music video that I made. So my Alice in Wonderland music video, I've actually used a few scenes from Deforum, and I was very impressed with it. Personally, I think actually Deforum though is definitely designed for those kind of music videos, those trippy, hippie kind of cool feeling AI music videos. So if you are into the world of AI music, making AI music videos and everything like this, I think this is going to be right up your street. So I'm going to show you some of the creations people have already made, then I'm going to just show you how easy it is to make some. So just going through the creation kind of pages here, you can start to see very cool and trippy kind of stuff. Really nice quality as well, I have to say, for a program that I've not much heard of. It's really nice quality, some of the stuff that it's pumping out with. I was so impressed with the stuff that I actually made for my Alice in Wonderland video. Worked really well for it. It was pretty cool, I have to say. But as you can see, it is a movement kind of motion kind of platform, which is going to be making stuff from text to motion, which is very cool. I'm really impressed by these. I'm going to go into the animate page straight away and just show you. These are the videos that I have actually previously made. So one about my coffee cup, just changing it. My coffee fuel gaming, that's my gaming channel, so just changing and everything there. These are the ones that I actually use for my Alice in Wonderland video. They're very hippie and trippy, obviously starting off a little bit real and then moving into the more trippy kind of scenes. Really good kind of image though, really good motion, loved it. So up here, obviously we can type into our prompt. So what we are going to actually try here is a female overlooking sea waves rippling in the sun. That's a standard kind of prompt that I use to test pretty much everything at the minute. Prompt style, now this I haven't had a huge kind of play with. There are so many different things in here though. Really cool kind of stuff in here as well. So I want to try and keep this a little bit cinematic at the minute. I want to try and keep this a little bit real. So we are going to go for photographic, see how that kind of comes. Motion preset, obviously this actually allows you to say exactly what you want the motion of your video to be doing, but I like to play it a little bit kind of lucky, so we're going to keep it as a random. Here we can change it from either 15 seconds duration up to 30, which is really cool. Obviously the longer you do set it, the more tokens you're going to be using. Aspect ratio, also very cool. Always nice to have this option here, 16:9. That's the kind of standard aspect ratio, unless you are making something like YouTube Shorts or TikToks, then obviously it's 9:16. But just having that aspect ratio choice so easy, really nice. We're going to hit the animate button, and I am going to obviously just jump cut until this is done, but it should only literally be a few seconds. So then folks, here we are back 6 minutes later. I actually recorded this and forgot to press record, which is why it says 9 minutes ago, but it was 6 minutes that it took me to actually render this, so not too bad at all. And it has rendered out a very nice 181 frames of motion. Probably not the best preset to actually use for this one, because what it's doing is actually going down the lady, but I have to say the waves in the sun in the background, very nice, cool looking effect, and it has really followed the prompt here. So very happy with this 15 seconds worth of video. Very cool. This cost me 1 credit. Obviously when you top up on everything, you can get at least 20, so you can make quite a few videos here. This would be very good for marketing, for advertising, for music videos, social media, all that kind of stuff. So if you are in the those kind of spaces, I think you're going to be very happy with Deforum. And remember, it's not just photographic, there are loads and loads of different prompt styles to actually choose from here. You are going to be really struggling to find something that doesn't work for you, to be honest, and does, because there's so many different options here. There is going to be something definitely there that you could just definitely use for your stuff. I'm going to show you the pricing plans and everything here. Obviously down here there is my animations, guides and wiki, get credits, all the rest. So I'm just going to go down into the pricing page here for you and show you how much this is going to be costing you. So if you just want to get a standard flat 20 credits top up, then that is $80. That is one time. Obviously you can pick this up as much as you want. If you want to subscribe, probably going to be a little bit better in terms of pricing. $15 a month. That's going to give you 50 credits. So really cool that you are going to be getting 10 more credits for $1 less, picking up the top up kind of thing. So this is definitely worth it, I would say. Obviously cancel any time, up to 3 concurrent generations, pretty standard for AI programs. I think this would sort out quite a lot of people, to be honest, but if you did find you needed more, then you could go up to 120 credits per month, and this will cost you $30 per month, which definitely is not a lot at all. I have seen some AI programs charging absolutely insane amounts. This is very, very fair. I think personally this is a very good kind of pricing scheme for this program. Like I said, there are loads and loads of different prompt styles and motion presets and everything like that, so you're definitely going to be finding stuff that is going to work for you. I want to just say thank you very much to the guys over at Deforum again for sending me over 20 credits so I could have a proper play around with this. I am going to be using this a lot more for my music videos because I have so many planned that Deforum is going to be perfect for, so definitely going to be using this. Thank you very much for watching though, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to just push this out there because not many people have heard of Deforum. Thank you very much, like I said, for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I hope to catch you out in the world of AI.